Hey everyone, welcome back to Odella Jewelry, your go-to place for easy, fun jewelry that's always beginner-friendly. Today, we're making a super trendy necklace that I actually made in another video, but I got some requests to show it again. So let's make it together today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. For this necklace, you'll need a chain, and we're going to cut it into small equal pieces. Then, pick your beads. You can go with pearls, crystals, or just regular beads. Totally up to you. I've made one before with pearls and crystals, so feel free to check out that video if you want something a little more youthful. For this version, I'm using regular beads. You'll also need 26 gauge wire. This is the best wire for this type of necklace. Just follow along with me in the video and feel free to share this with your friends. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to save it and drop a comment to let me know. Would you wear this? I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Now, let's get crafting. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to help. Enjoy!